Change is coming. There's a light out from the sun. A new time, a new day, a new world is coming. And I can see the dawn has just begun. A new home, a new way is on the horizon.
Alright guys, take two. Fog has lifted from this morning.
Yes.
We've been running all over the state getting you some cool footage of everything else, but we are back up here to get the mountain views in the background.
Got to get the money shot.
Yeah, and so that was back up at the top of the hill. You can't quite see the mountains in the background here, but we
Right.
did get it. Now we're fixing to head down towards the house and get some more gardens and stuff around the house for you.
Yep, for sure. Come
But
on, guys.
At least the fog lifted.
Yep, let's go see what we can find.
We're making the world a better place, one person at a time. Making the world a better place, one day at a time. And it starts right now. Change the world. Change the world. Change is blowing like the wind through the trees. The wheels are spinning and life is in motion. And I can see a light shine through the leaves. A new spark of new life is on the horizon. We're making the world a better place, one person at a time. Making the world a better place, one day at a time. And it starts right now. It starts right now. It starts right now. Change the world. It starts right now. Change the world. Change the world. We're making the world a better place, one person at a time. Making the world a better place, one day at a time. And it starts right now. Change the world. Change the world. Change the world.
Hey guys, we're still up here touring Biltmore, trying to show you everything we can. This trip we're actually trying to show you some things that most people normally don't stop and see.
We've been coming to Biltmore for years, and this is the first time we've ever made the trek down to the bass pond.
Yeah, and so you kind of see it in the background here. So we're down here at the bass pond. Just a tip though, there's two different signs. We're actually sitting right here. There's a brick bridge you go over. And so we parked at the first sign we saw.
After leaving the house, you'll see a sign that says Bass Pond.
And waterfall.
Yes.
And so we wanted to hike down to the waterfall to get some pictures of you for the waterfall, because it's not something that you can typically get just driving by and seeing. You actually have to walk down to see the waterfall. So we parked at the first one because we'd never done this part before. And so that trail takes you all the way around this bass pond, around to the waterfall, which is over here on this far side.
And it drops you out at the second sign that says waterfall, where we could have parked.
And so now,
and save that walk. Now we enjoyed
loved
the
the
walk. Yeah, the walk was gorgeous. If you want to do something like that, please stop at that first one and take the walk. Otherwise, if you just want to see the waterfall, keep going across the bridge and stop at the second waterfall sign.
Yeah, so it all depends on how much time you have here. Right now, they're still having designated, you have to make reservations times to get inside the house. And, you know, if you're pressed on time, just know that you can park at the second sign, and it's maybe, gosh, 150, 200 feet walk to the waterfall that way.
It's an easy walk.
Versus walking all the way around the lake. Now, I urge, if you have time, absolutely walk around this lake. It is gorgeous.
There are benches all the way around for you just to sit and see the prettiest spots. It's quite a sight.
And on the far side of this, there's a meadow trail that you can hike up, and we think you can see the back side of the house there. We haven't made it up there just yet to prove that, but we're pretty sure we've seen some other pictures of the back side of the house, and we think that's where they're getting them from.
Yep.
And so, anyways, just a few tips there, guys, if you're ever up here, and I hope that helps. Alright guys, we are out here on the back side of the property. Right here behind us, this is actually the French Broad River.
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful, beautiful river. Very wide, very flowing. But that's actually the property line on one side, on the back side here of the property. So pretty cool. And again, you get access to all this, guys. You know, when you buy a ticket or a yearly membership in here, you get access to all this, and so it's really cool. But just want to wrap up, say, you know, we hope that you enjoyed the fall colors we got to show you. Again, like last week, I apologize, it's not exactly peak yet. This video is probably going to air about 2 weeks behind when we actually filmed it. just to be transparent. And so by then, it probably will be peak season. And so if you are looking for fall color, I urge you to get up here. North Carolina's beautiful. Biltmore's beautiful. You can't beat the friendliness of the people up here.
And you can't go wrong. Any time of the year that you can come here, come. It's beautiful any season.
Yeah, it is. And so we enjoy it. But again, you know, we told you in our earlier video earlier this year of Biltmore, we came here in the spring and showed you all the spring flowers. This one, you know, we showed you the mums down at the gardens, all the fall colors that we could find up here. And we'll be back this Christmas.
Yep.
So we'll show you some of the Christmas items, and we'll try to find some snow this winter maybe. And
hope
if
so.
we can make it up here when it's snowing. And so we'll be sure to show you all that. And then we'll try to get you all 4 seasons in up here at Biltmore. So
That's the goal.
keep tuning in, guys. Again, we have a new video every Sunday night at 6 o'clock. Make sure you subscribe. And we always try to bring you new content. And you know, if there's anything particular you guys want to see, drop us a comment. We've been getting a lot of comments from subscribers and new people subscribing lately.
Yep,
and it's been a lot of fun.
y'all.
Absolutely. We actually got some new subscribers that's going to come out and meet us next weekend. Of course, it'll be past by the time this video hits, sorry, but at one of our shows in Brazelton. So that's going to be cool to actually get to meet face to face with some people. So,
Definitely.
you know, by all means, guys, if there's anything we can do for you, drop us a line. We love hearing from you.
Yep. Take care, guys.
See ya.
Bye.